student studying mechanical engineering technology at Behrend has a chance to learn state-of-the-art facilities, conduct research with award-winning faculty, and be recruited by companies around the world when they graduate. If you like working with your hands, have an interest in math, physics, and mechanical systems, find complex problem solving enjoyable, enjoy teamwork, MET is a major for you. Unlike mechanical engineering, MET focuses on the application of engineering principles versus a theoretical development. One way to think of it is that ME leans towards the innovation side of things, and MET is on the implementation side of things. MET is a very hands-on major. Our major emphasizes application. This means that students gain hands-on skills in traditional areas like statics, thermal, and fluids, as well as specific subjects like quality control, materials testing, and production design, where students work in labs just like this one. We're proud to say that the MET program at Behrend is accredited by ABET, which means the curriculum, facilities, and staff all meet standards set by a national organization. Companies that hire our graduates include industry leaders like Kennametal, SKF, US Steel, and Westinghouse. METs put engineering principles to use to make improvements. The combination of engineering principles and practical knowledge, such as turning a wrench, running a machine, working in groups, make MET valuable assets. METs take existing technology and use them to solve meaningful problems.